If it's time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock. In this video, we will explore MicroStrategy Incorporated in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since April 11th, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.54. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 23.09% since we first listed MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate 11 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.1% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock has broken a very wide and horizontal trend upwards. Breaks like this are often followed by swift and strong movements, and any correction down to the break line, approximately $340.56, is considered to be a second chance to capture a potential runner. However, it is crucial that volume follows the price, as false breaks may occur, and the stock could revert back to the horizontal trend. Based on the rectangle formation theory, the stock is predicted to reach $443.88 sometime during the next 3 months. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 0.96% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 36.37% and negative 8.66%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 79.99%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 22.60% to 184.86% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $452.69 and $1,051.83. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline: MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price ended at $369.25 on Monday, after gaining 0.146%. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price gained 0.146% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of April 2025. Rising from $368.71 to $369.25, it has now gained for 8 consecutive days. It is not often that stocks manage to gain for so many days in a row, and a fall for a day or two should be expected. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.3%, with a day low at $354.53 and a day high of $373.33. The price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 23.09% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 8 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares bought and sold for approximately $4.22 billion. It's important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $543, and the lowest price was $101. Currently, the price is 32%, or $173.75, below the 52-week high of $543, which is also the all-time high for the stock. In recent days, MicroStrategy Incorporated, now known as Strategy Incorporated, has been in the spotlight due to investigations launched by Pomerantz law firm on behalf of investors. This pursuit of claims follows a significant drop in the stock price, indicating potential investor discontent. Such legal scrutiny can foster uncertainty, leading to short-term volatility as investors weigh the implications of these investigations on the company's governance and financial health. Additionally, despite these concerns, there are positive signs that could bolster the stock in the near term. The resurgence of Bitcoin, recently trading back above $90,000, has created a bullish outlook for companies heavily invested in cryptocurrency, including MSTR. Analysts suggest that if Bitcoin continues its upward trajectory, MSTR stock could experience significant gains, potentially breaking past previous highs. As the investigations develop, they may influence investor sentiment, causing jitters that could result in short-term declines. However, if Bitcoin's momentum persists, it may counterbalance these fears in the long run, leading to a robust increase in MSTR's market performance. This juxtaposition of legal challenges and cryptocurrency market fluctuations suggests that MSTR's stock will be closely watched in the coming weeks, reflecting broader trends in the digital asset space. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of April 2025, it was reported that Monnes assigned MSTR a sell rating along with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 10th of March 2025, Barclays rated MSTR as overweight, coupled with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 29th of January 2025, Compass Point awarded MSTR a buy rating with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 20th of November 2024, BTIG designated MSTR with a buy rating and a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October 2024, BTIG again classified MSTR as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. For return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. There are mostly positive signals in the chart today. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is noted from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On any downward corrections, support is expected from the levels at $344.57 and $303.87. A decline below any of these levels will generate sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far it has risen by 55.18%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 44 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 42 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $308.55 and $296.86. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this could lead the stock to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $308.55. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $296.86 and $293.61. This stock may exhibit significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $18.80 between its high and low, representing a 5.3% change. For the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.99%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's briefly cover some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 0.0233. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $308.55. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were made by Patton Jared M., who bought and sold 6,100 shares or options in the company. From the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 9.104. In total, insiders acquired 361,404 shares and disposed of 450,383 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $358.10, representing a decrease of 3.02%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 13 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the stock has broken its horizontal trend upwards, indicating a stronger rate of increase. We conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of April, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open lower by $3.55, starting at $365.70. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.